DFM 170 assignment 1.2, what's in the LA Film School Tech Kit? First up, we have the 12mm Meike Cinema lens. This has focus rings and aperture rings. This is going to be a great lens for our master shots or our wide establishing shots. It's a micro four thirds cinema lens. Moving on, we have our medium lens, which is the 25mm, all of the same specs here, 2.2 minimum aperture, giving us some nice creamy bokeh. And then we have the 50mm lens, which is going to be our close-up lens for shooting details or, dialogue, people talking, things of that nature. And we have the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. This is a micro four thirds camera to go along with the micro four thirds lenses. Shoots in B-RAW 4K. Great little starter camera here. And then we have a Lexar Pro SD card. This is 64 gigabytes with a 250 megabyte per second write speed. Just slide this here in the side of the camera. It's gonna allow us to record and store our files and then later transfer them over to our computer at a rate of 250 megabytes per second. Now we have the battery that goes into the Blackmagic, just slides in the bottom here. This is gonna give us about an hour of runtime, allow us to keep our rig light if we wanna shoot handheld and not rely on V-mounts. Then we have a AC to DC power converter. Just plug this into the wall, plug this into the side of the Blackmagic, and we can charge the battery that is inside of it. Last but not least, we have the Manfrotto fluid head tripod. This is gonna allow us to get nice, locked off, steady shots and allow us to tilt and pan in those shots. And I guess that's really about it for what's in the LA Film School Tech Kit. Thank you, and let me know if you got any questions.